Here we go, Monday morning fabrics, and they are beautiful. We're going to start with 100% cotton. 100% cotton. I love the colors, the pinks, the greens, the white, the brown. It's so pretty. This is a mini rib. If I stretch it real far, you see that it's just little tiny ribs. It has stretch in one direction. Lightweight, gorgeous. It pairs perfectly with this. This is a Versace. The prices are all different, you guys, but just know that they're the best we can do. This is a Versace. It has stretch in both directions. 100% cotton, lightweight. It pairs beautifully with both of these. The reason I put them all in is we've shipped that new pattern 423, and this could be the front, the top, you know, the blouse portion, and this could be the little tank that coordinates. It's such a pretty combination. This is 100% cotton. Very lightweight, very pretty, perfect for the summer. 100% cotton, just lovely, lovely fabric. 100% linen. This is also beautiful fabric, great hand. Wash Coca-Cola, it's as soft as can be. And you know, linen just gets better and better and better with time, but it's really pretty. This I put in because I felt like it paired really well with this if you wanted to do a print and a linen combination. This is 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions, and look at the drape on that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then check out the price on this. It's very inexpensive. This is, it's a brushed cotton poly. It's the last UV, one of the last UVs that we've got. Great drape, stretch in both directions, 60 inches wide. Just gorgeous. For the pattern of the month, this would do it great. And it will not hurt your pocketbook, all right? The goal is, you know it. Happy sewing. Happy Monday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.